Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Yes, without makeup. So as from the title you must be knowing that today I am going to do makeup on my face without mirror. Yes, I have a flap on my camera from where I can see my face, but I have flipped it today so I can't see from there also. So in short, I am doing my makeup without any reference, without any mirror. So let's try. Like, it's something crazy. I really wanted to try, like what happens, like can I do it or can I not, and all those stuffs. Yeah, so before going into the video, please do subscribe if you're seeing my face for the first time, and give thumbs up if you like this video. Yeah, without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, have these many things with me. It's really basic and we'll start. I'm literally clueless, guys. Like, seriously, I don't know what's happening. So please, if it's turning out bad, then don't put bad comments. Literally, I'm doing without mirror, so it's really difficult. Okay, next thing we can do is kajal. Yeah, kajal to theek hai, I'll do, but how will I do eyeliner? Shit, man, I didn't realize that. Okay, let's do this. Makeup like this ruse, and I don't know, my cheeks are looking full red and my eyes blue, and वो भी proper नहीं है, like shit. Okay, now I'll see in mirror. Okay, I'll do one thing. I have a flip wala mirror, so I'll flip the mirror and come here and then see to it. Okay, I won't see before that. Okay, so I can see on mirror is that my cheeks are fully red, lipstick is light. It's like a nude thing, yeah, and my liner is also not proper. See guys, it's not proper. Nothing is proper. My eyeshadow is coming out from here. So it is very difficult to do your makeup without mirror, and itna bhi hua because I don't know like कैसे हो गया. It was my luck. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section what do you think, what do you feel, and can you do makeup without mirror? It's really difficult, trust me guys, like it is difficult. Okay, so I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. That was all for today guys. Please do subscribe. Soon we are going to cross 10k subscribers, and I have really good new things coming on the way. Yeah, bye bye.